How I made it my whole life without having one of these soil sorting screens, I'll never know. But I bought this online a week ago, 1/4-inch screen, and this takes all my soil. We always process all the soil that we dig up. We always amend it with better quality topsoil and compost and cow manure, etc., etc. So you take all this junk and you push it back and forth, knock it through, and you end up with this really fine, like you'd buy in a bag. You just take all the scraps and dump them down here, put them in the junk pile somewhere. So this is a good purchase. If you haven't bought one of these yet, this is good to do. And this one I bought fits a 5-gallon pickle bucket perfectly. So there you go. This is going to save us a lot of time. We used to break all these clumps up by hand and try to hand pick out all the junk as we were processing soil. But this is going to save a ton of time. So get one of these.